If you want to silence specific contacts on your iPhone without blocking them, then what you can do is you can go to settings here, go to focus, go to this option do not disturb, select people and tap on this option add people. Now from here you can select any contact whom you want to silence and then select done. After that, make sure to select this option silence notifications from, and then go back and here go to this option schedule and you can set the schedule. Mine is from 9 to 5, but if you want you can change the timing here, and right now all the days are selected. If you want to deselect any day, you can just tap on the day and it will be deselected, and after that enable this option schedule. Now what happens is, if that person will call me every day in between 9 to 5, the notifications will be silenced.